गर फिरदौस बरोए ज़मीनस्त, हमें अस्त हमें अस्त हमें अस्त। Welcome back to another episode of Bengaluru on my plate. My name is Tuhin. I hope you're doing well. You have been vaccinated and all safe and sound. Well, today I'm taking you up north in our very own south. We are taking you to the valley of the north frontier, कश्मीर. आज कश्मीर के खाने के जायके का लुत्फ उठाने वाले हैं. क्या है आज के खाने में? आइए आपको दिखाते हैं. कश्मीरी कावा, इलायची, आमंड्स, केसर. इट्स अ ग्रेट एपेटाइजर. और ये जो मौसम है बैंगलोर का, इसमें इट्स अ मस्ट हैव. टुडे वी आर हैविंग कश्मीरी फूड. कश्मीर में एक कहावत है और वो है कि गर फिरदौस बरोए ज़मीनस्त, हमें अस्त हमें अस्त हमें अस्त. आज हम वाज़वान के लिए बोलेंगे कि कश्मीरी फूड का अगर कहीं स्वर्ग है तो वो यहाँ है, यहाँ है, यहाँ है. वी आर एट सरपोश राइट नाउ एंड आज बहुत सारे फ्लेवर्स यहाँ पे होने वाले हैं. कश्मीरी खाने की एक बहुत बड़ी खासियत है, वो ये है कि इसमें ऑयल यूज़ नहीं होता है. दे यूज़ घी और साथ में कोई मसाला वगैरह यूज़ नहीं किया जाता है. दे यूज़ शैलट्स विच आर इम्पोर्टेड फ्रॉम कश्मीर. To talk more about this cuisine, I've got Azim, who's the owner of this amazing place. Azim. So Azim, first of all, thank you for having me here.
My pleasure.
और बड़ी आपने लंबी चौड़ी कहानी बताई है इस रेस्टोरेंट की. Basically, it was a demand by your wife, and you have to fulfill all the demands your wife makes. Huh?
So what happened was, when she got married, she was a little homesick, wanted to have some Kashmiri food. So, we tried all possible things to get her in Bangalore, but nothing was close to having Kashmiri food, and that's why, Sarposh is into existence, I would say, in short.
Well, thanks to your wife that we have Kashmiri cuisine here. So, what are we eating today?
I think you should try one of our meatballs, the rista or a goshtaba. I think that's a must try. You should also try our best seller, which is tabak mas.
I'm really hungry because I worked out also today after a long time.
Okay.
और मुझे आज ये भी एहसास हुआ है कि
It's a cheat day today.
वर्कआउट करो तो भूख बहुत तेज लगती है. So that was called tashnari. That's the first step. You have to clean your hands before you eat, and that's the first step of hospitality. If you go to someone's house before you eat, your hands should be washed. And this is sarposh. Sarposh is this metal cover. You open this and you have your wazwan. Kya baat hai. So you have the meatball which is called rista. This is Rogan Josh, सीख कबाब, तबक मास. So इतनी सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे आ गई हैं and it's served on rice bread. It's time to eat. तबक मास हो चुका है. Now it's time for सीख कबाब. Now सीख कबाब की खासियत ये है कि this is 80% meat. There is no binding agent except egg. और कहा जाता है कि ये जो सीख कबाब है, इसको अगर आप दीवार पे मारें तो ये बिना टूटे वापस आना चाहिए. देन इट्स गुड सीख कबाब. लेट्स सी हाउ गुड दिस इज. सी वेरी थिन लेयर ऑफ कबाब, नॉट टू स्टफी, सिंपल, easy going kebab this is. You can marry this kebab. After this we will eat rista. Rista is basically a mutton meatball. have a look at this. Looks really delicious. This is melting in your mouth. And last but not the least, we have the special thing from Kashmir, and that is mutton Rogan Josh, and that too dry. I've never eaten dry Rogan Josh. I would say if there is more gravy, it's good. The Kashmiri pulao is really good, and the speciality about Kashmiri pulao is, so it's cooked in mutton broth. For 8 hours the mutton broth is made, and then the rice is cooked in that, and dry fruits. So none of the flavors are overpowering in this. I'm really enjoying this. You can have it with gravy or you can just have it like this. So I'll put some mirchi salan in this, along with some mutton as well. All right. So if you like your food spicy, you can order mirchi salan. Not very spicy. Some mutton. Mutton is so tender. That's the speciality of a Kashmiri food coming from the experts. Right, so if you don't want to have rice or you want some breads as well, they have got amazing parathas, roti, tandoori, and here I've made nice thali out of it. There's paneer, there's mushroom, there's mirchi salan, and there is yakhni, and of course the chutney. You can enjoy with paratha as well. I really like the yakhni. Yakhni is really good, and there's something different which you don't get anywhere else. Mirchi salan and mushroom, not bad at all. And yakhni, it's totally different. You must come here, try this food. It's rich, made in ghee. Aha, you'll be content when you go from here. Oh, bumro, bumro, sham rang bumro. It was just amazing. Had a great time at Sarposh. So if you're coming to Sarposh, you will not experience just food. You will experience the culture, the love. Kashmiri food is not limited to Kashmiri pulao and Rogan Josh. They have got wide variety, and for that, you will have to come to Sarposh. I had a great time. I'll meet you in the next episode of Bengaluru on my plate. Bon appetito! Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Red FM 93.5